Welcome to 2590 South Morrice Road. This home was built in 1965 and remained in the family ever since. This home features a low-maintenance brick exterior, over 2,100 square feet of living space on the main level, plus a full partially finished basement. As you walk up to the front door, you're greeted by a large covered porch and you enter into a spacious foyer. From the foyer, you can step down into the sunken living room or walk through to the kitchen and dining room space. The living room is very spacious and is 30 feet long by 14 feet wide, featuring a brick wood-burning fireplace and a large window that flood this room with natural lighting. From the dining room space, it's open to the kitchen, and there's also patio doors that lead to a Three Seasons room that overlooks the backyard. The kitchen offers an abundance of cabinet space and storage space, an island, and the appliances are included. Just off the kitchen, on the main level, is a laundry room with storage closet and a half bath. This home has 4 bedrooms, with a primary bedroom featuring 2 large closets and a private half bath. The 4th bedroom would make a great office space and has a door that leads to the back deck and in-ground pool area. Every room in this home is good sized. The full bath, which is conveniently located close to all of the bedrooms, features a tub and a separate tiled shower. The lower level has a family room finished with a second brick wood-burning fireplace, a wet bar, and second kitchen space. There's also a rec room that's finished with a pool table that will stay. This home has just as much to offer on the exterior as it does the interior. Enjoy relaxing in the Three Seasons room or spending summer afternoons lounging around the pool, tinkering in the 2-car attached garage, or in the 32 by 24 pole barn. Your choice. My name's Barb Roll-Wyzga with Keller Williams First. If you'd like more information on this home, please feel free to call or text me at 517-712-8009.